How to start a successful clothing boutique on Instagram. Clothing boutiques are one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money on Instagram. You can easily make thousands, even millions of naira per month selling clothes on Instagram. A good example is Miskai Boutique on Instagram, a boutique that sells women's wear and menswear. This is how to start a clothing boutique on Instagram. Follow these steps to start clothing boutique on Instagram. 1. Create an Instagram account. Choose a memorable name for your clothing boutique. Your business name is very important. Download the Instagram app from the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. Tap sign up with email or phone number, Android, or create new account, iPhone, then enter your email address or phone number, which will require a confirmation code, and tap next. You can also tap login with Facebook to sign up with your Facebook account. If you register with your email or phone number, create a username and password, fill out your profile info and then tap done. If you register with Facebook, you'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account if you're currently logged out. 2. Convert your Instagram account to a business account. Go to settings and click on switch to a business account. With a business account, you'll get access to business features and Instagram insights. These tools can help you better understand who is engaging with your clothing boutique on Instagram. You will also be able to run sponsored ads on Instagram easily. 3. Create a bio. Create a bio talking about your boutique. Talk about your delivery options, payment options, and who your customers are. 4. Post photos of your products. Post high-quality photos. Have you ever noticed how every offline, brick-and-mortar store has its own atmosphere, own style, own ambience? Every piece found on different hangers in different corners can be combined into an outfit, and somehow, everything kind of designs fits together. Your Instagram feed should work exactly the same way. Your photos might be separate pieces, but your whole feed must look like one organic outfit. In other words, this means that all your photos need to have a signature look and be edited, more or less, the same way. You can use a certain filter to achieve this, like Slumber. Your photos will have a uniform feel. 5. Give followers a behind-the-scenes look at your business. Followers love seeing the hustle behind the scenes of your business. Giving your potential customers an exclusive look into your business's everyday dealings builds a reputation, making your business more personable and real. Upload a few posts of you shipping items, sorting, engaging with employees. Trust me, it'll help ease any apprehensions of people thinking your business is a fraud. In Nigeria, customers are reluctant to buy from any brand that does not seem genuine. Your brand has to look credible, or else people will not patronize your clothing boutique on Instagram. 6. Use influencers to promote your clothing boutique. Influencer marketing is huge on Instagram and is set to continue to get bigger and bigger in the coming years. Even top brands on Instagram use influencers to promote themselves, so why shouldn't you? Nigerian influencers are garnering sales for many clothing boutiques on Instagram. Pay influencers to promote your clothing. Then, see your clothing items sell out. 7. Run Instagram ads. Instagram ads help you reach a wide audience, who are likely in need of your clothes. You can pay any amount from 2,000 naira to 100,000 naira to run ads on Instagram. 8. Use the right captions. The wording in your caption needs to invoke the customer's buying impulse, inspiring them to click through. Make sure you post a useful, yet creative, description with each item, which can include basic information about the product, but should also appeal to the buyer's imagination. Add the price, size, and available colors of your clothing. 9. Post photos of your customers wearing your clothes. If you want to start a clothing boutique on Instagram, you should be encouraging users to take and share real photos of the products you offer, and show off these photos wherever you can. You should be utilizing the power of user-generated content on your Instagram. Shoppers time and time again claim that the use of customer photos helps them make purchasing decisions. So display customer photos of your products proudly, especially since it builds confidence in your company for a new visitor as a form of instant visual social proof that others use and like your products. 10. Do giveaways. Giveaways will help you gain a following of customers who buy from you. When you give a customer a clothing item after winning a giveaway, you gain the trust and affection of potential customers. Instagram clothing boutique is very profitable and can make you a lot of money if done right. Follow these steps and build a profitable brand on Instagram. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.